te whānau o Toi Time. Oh, it's time for one of my favourite sounds in the whole world. Whakarongo mai. It's the Toi Time trumpets. Hoa ke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toi Time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika more. Yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time!
Kia ora, Hama.
Nau mai ki te whare o te whānau Toi Time.
Aye, that's us, te whānau o Toi Time. I love being part of this whānau. There are a few missing though.
Ai, where could they be?
There you are.
Oh, wait! Not all the whānau were here.
Te whānau o Toi Time are all back together now. Tēnā koutou katoa. Today's show is all about native birds, ngā manu Māori. And I am a tui. You can tell by my beautiful shimmering feathers and my singing voice. La 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 la.
Kia ora, I'm Riki, the pūkeko, and I'm blue, black and red.
Kahurangi pango whiro.
Kahurangi, pango, whiro. Ah, thanks, Maya. Ooh, what sort of manu Māori are you today, Jojo?
Oh, this is strange. Jojo's asleep. Jojo. Jojo.
Oh, Jojo's got brown feathers and a long beak. Ooh, are you a Kiwi?
Hi, I'm a Kiwi. What's everyone doing awake? It's bedtime.
Bedtime?
Yes,
But it's daytime.
exactly. Kiwis are nocturnal. That means they sleep during the day and they're awake at night. Poor Māori.
Poor Marie.
Just jokes. I'm only pretending to be a Kiwi. I don't want to sleep through Toi Time. Hoa ki tātou.
Yeah.
There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see? Pii waka waka are so small in size, spreading its tail like a fan as it flies. Listen for Tui, its beautiful tune. They talk like a person, don't believe me, it's true. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see? Up in the mountains we'll find care at play. A mischievous bird causing trouble all day. Down in the forest, Kiwi hide in the shrubs. They come out at night to fill their belly with bud. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds see. Pūteketeke are such a rare sight, with beautiful feathers, black, orange and white. These birds are a treasure we need to defend. We'll take care of their habitat, 'cause these birds are our friends. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see?
Oh, see, Jojo? I knew I heard Manu sounds coming from the craft room.
That's strange. I thought Ricky was in here. Wait a minute. Ricky, is that you?
It is you, Ricky.
Wow, cool bird beak.
Oh, thanks, Jojo. Hey, that's sweet of you to say so. Look, when I put it on, I magically transform into a manu.
What a hoot. Get it? Hoot, hoot.
Hey, would you guys like to make some bird beaks too?
Sure.
Oh, okay. You take the pūkeko, and this one's for you. All right.
What
Time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Okay.
Whoa.
Ooh, kei te hiakai aho. Is anybody else feeling hungry?
I'm always hungry, Maya.
Me too.
Well, it's time to dine at Maya's Bird Restaurant. Hoa ke tātou. Kia ora. I'm so pleased you could dine with us today. Oh, please, I'll show you to your table. This way, please.
Oh, I'm so excited. Get it? Excited? Birds, eggs.
Good one, Jojo.
Oh, here. Please try some delicious sugar water. I made it myself with half a cup of sugar and 4 cups of water.
Thank you, Maya.
Reka. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's on the menu today? We're very hungry, aren't we, Jojo?
I'm always here, Kairiki.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that. We have today delicious homemade worms served with fresh insects and crunchy beetles.
Homemade worms
Yes,
With fresh insects.
you got it.
and crunchy beetles.
It's our special of the day, made with love, especially for hungry birds like you two. I'll be right back with your food. Yum, yum. No mai e ngā hua o te whānau o tāne. Haumi e, hui e, taiki. Here we go. One for you and one for you. I hope you enjoy. Please, eat up.
Oh, I couldn't possibly eat this delicious bowl of worms and
Yeah.
fresh insects and crunchy beetles.
Why not?
I don't have a fork.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Such a shame. I was so hungry.
So hungry, but we need a fork. And
Two forks. One for you
Thanks, Mom.
and one for you.
Thank you. Well,
Ladies first.
oh, delicious. Oh, what's that over there?
Where?
Oh, no, I saw it too. It was one of those rare birds, takahe.
Oh, where? I don't see anything.
Oh, it must have flown away.
Hang on a minute. Takahe can't fly.
Oh, weird. Oh, thank you for the food. It was so yummy.
Oh, yeah, Jojo's right. Those worms are reka.
Oh, would you like some more?
No. No, thanks.
Thanks, Maya.
No, thank you.
Okay, well, you're welcome. See you tomorrow. I'm making hoo-hoo grub ice cream with slag sauce.
Bye.
that went well.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Basakaz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm off to the Ngāhere to find native manu. I need to make some binoculars because our manu live up in the very tops of our rākau. Let's start with my first little bit of sellotape. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put it in between my cylinders like this. They stay together. Now we need to put some paper around it. Let's cut it. Go like that. Like there. Look. Let's put some string on. Boom. There it is. Car pie. There we go. There we go. And then we put it inside the tube like this. Car pie. There we go. I'm ready to go to the Ngāhere to find some native manu. Check it out, cuzzies. I'm not a manu. Birdwatching is hard work, my cuzzies. I haven't seen any manu yet. I can hear them, though. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I just need to find a quiet place to sit down, and then I can listen for them. Activate stealth mode. All right. Let's see what kind of manu we might see today. Kereru. Ooh, kereru. We could see a kiwi. Oh, kiwi, they're nocturnal. That means they only come out at night time. It's not night time. What else do we have? The waiwaka, my favourite. The kōtare. The tui, oh, the best singer in all of the Ngāhere. Let's see what we can hear. I can hear a big waiwaka. Oh, that's a kōtare. Cuzzies, I can see a tui. Come on. Wow. Wow. Tui is so beautiful. Kia ora te tui. I want to be a tui. Ka kite anō e te whānau.
Simply fascinating. Kia ora, cheeky tamariki. I'm Auntie Anika, and this is Tui. Tui lives in the tree in my garden. Kia ora, Tui. You're probably wondering what Tui said, aren't you? Lucky for you, I speak bird, because my last name's Moore, so yeah. Anika Moore. Anyway, Tui said, kia ora, and this is how you say kia ora back. Choice. Tui lives in my garden because there are lots of native trees like this kōwhai here to nest in. And because I'm great at looking after birds. Oh, ngā mihi nui, Tui. I love looking after you and your feathery friends. Now, I make sure there's plenty of fresh water to drink, and in winter I make Tui some sugar water as a special treat. Native birds like Tui love to eat fruit, insects and nectar. The best part is all these things are already here in my garden, and the best bird auntie in the world goes to Auntie Anika. Thank you so much. Oh, what's that, Tui? You want to sing a duet? My pleasure. Okay, toru wha.
The birds need the forests to survive, and the forests need the birds to thrive. Wow, that's why there are so many birds in Aotearoa, because of our beautiful forests.
Oh, hey, Buzz.
Kia ora, Riki. Hey, what did the chicken say when he got to the library?
What?
Bok, 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 bok. Hey, you coming? It's Takaro time.
Whoa.
Tama, Maya, come on, we need your help. We're playing more egg races.
What, more egg races? I'm coming, Buzz.
It's Takaro time! And today's game is more egg races.
Are those real more eggs?
Yeah, of course.
Whoa, where did you get them?
Oh, laid them myself.
Huh?
I'm joking. They're balloons. Hey, we just pretend they're more eggs in the game.
Oh.
Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Mean. Okay, it's a race and we need teams of 2.
Okay, Tama.
Yeah. With me, Buzz.
Yeah. Each team goes back to back and balances the more egg between them, okay? They have to run around this chair over here and all the way back without dropping their balloon. All right? The first team back to the start without dropping their egg wins. Got it?
Got it.
Oh, all right. Got it there.
Whoa, oh my.
Hey, Mōhio, can you please count us in when we're ready?
Sure thing, Maya.
A little bit that way. A little bit. Yeah. Gonna go the other way.
Okay,
All right.
Here we go.
Yarite,
Oh.
toru, rua, tahi, simata.
Oh my.
Maya and Tama are the winners!
Oh, well done. Oh, good one.
Dear.
Okay, now do we get to pop the balloons?
Oh, yeah.
No,
Huh?
Oh, are you scared that the eggs are going to hatch, Maya?
no, silly. I just want to play again.
Oh, you just want to play some more eggs? All right, Cardi then.
You are beautiful. Yeah, and so beautiful, girl. I am perfectly me. I am perfectly me. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. Come on, Buzz the Cars, join in. Buzz the Cars is perfectly. Buzz the Cars is perfectly. From his poko to his waiwai, to his puku, to his ringa-ringa. From his poko to his waiwai, to his puku, to his ringa-ringa. I am perfectly me. I am perfectly me. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. From my poko to my waiwai, to my puku, to my ringa-ringa. Now everyone sing! We are perfectly we. We are perfectly we. From our poko to our waiwai, to our puku, to our ringa-ringa. From our poko to our waiwai, to our puku, to our ringa-ringa. Ringa-ringa, 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 ringa-ringa.
Oh, what sort of birds are we again, Oma?
Oh, we're pea waka waka wolfie,
Yeah.
fantails. We flipped about and catching yummy insects in midair. Woohoo! See?
Oh, whoa! I don't think wolfies are made for flying, Oma. I know. Let's be kiwis instead. They move around on the ground.
Oh, this is fun, Wolfie. Oh, I know. Let's be pukeko. They have these long legs and they can run fast like me. Catch me if you can, Wolfie.
Pukeko!
I'm painting. I'm painting a pumpkin. We paint lava monsters and suckers. Painting is fun. I'm a booger. And very messy. Our friend chases us with his blue hands. Then we clean up. There's lots of paint to wash off. The green really needs washing. My friend helps me. Then we wash our hands. We did a great job. Bye. We're going home.
Maybe if I try jumping. Toru, rua, tahi. That doesn't make any sense. I have wings, but I can't fly. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Jojo. How can I help?
Kia ora, Mōhio. I've been trying and trying and trying, but no matter how hard I flap my wings, I can't fly. Why can't Kiwi lift off the ground?
Kiwi can't fly because their wings are too small to lift their heavy bodies off the ground.
But if a Kiwi can't fly, what can it do?
Kiwi are the only bird in the world to have nostrils at the end of their beak.
Nostrils at the end of their beak? Really?
Yes, Kiwi can smell better than almost every other bird in the world.
Wow. Thanks, Mōhio. I better keep my beak away from Koro's feet. They can get a little stinky sometimes.
Things with wings make my heart sing. The joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings I love to think. What are some things with wings? Way up in the sky, I see an aeroplane taking passengers on a holiday. Hanging upside down inside the darkest cave are furry little bats asleep all through the day. Things with wings make my heart sing. The joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings I love to think. What are some things with wings? Kiwi might have wings, but stay up on the ground. They seem to be alright, just fossicking around. And penguins use their wings for swimming in the sea. They dive under Tangaroa like little submarines. Things with wings make my heart sing. The joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings I love to think. What are some things with wings?
Oh, kia ora, Riki.
Kia ora, mai.
Are you ready to play What's in
The Box?
The bird call edition.
Ooh, ready, Maya? Here I go. Okay. Small little beak. Big fan-shaped tail. It's a pea waka waka.
That's right. If you want to hear its sound, press its puku.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go again. This way. Ooh, long beak and big feet, but no tail. It's a kiwi.
That's right, Riki. And if you press its beak, you can hear the call that it makes.
One more time.
Lucky last.
Okay. This one has, a short beak and a tail. Oh, it's got two little round things under its beak. It feels like point. I think it might be a tui.
Good guess, Ricky. Now to hear its bird call, you press its left wing.
Ooh, left wing. Okay. It is a tui.
3 out of 3, Ricky. Ka pai e hoa. You really know your bird calls.
Oh, thanks, Maya. Bird calls are so beautiful.
Wing, 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 wing.
Cheep,
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 cheepity cheep,
cheepity cheep.
cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep.
Today we're colouring in Tui. There are lots of colours in a Tui. Blues, greens, browns. It takes a lot of concentration. Look at our other art. Kiwi, a waka, Karoro. Sometimes we need a break. Back to colouring. Beautiful. We are good artists. Finish. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about walking to school. In the quiet town of Kirikiriroa, there was a sleepy 11-year-old girl named Aria who loved school, but she had trouble waking up early. One day, Aria had an idea. She decided to ask her friend Liza to be her walking buddy. Liza was always punctual and full of energy. Meet me outside my house tomorrow, 8 a.m. on the dot, Liza said. The next day, Aria jumped out of bed early because she was so excited to see Liza. She met Liza outside her house. Liza grinned. Let's conquer the morning together, Liza declared, holding out her hand. They held hands and set off on a journey to school, talking about their favorite books and laughing at the funny birds in the park. With Liza by her side, Aria not only arrived at school on time, but also had lots of fun stories to share about their walks later. Having a walking buddy made every morning magical for Aria. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.